Students of class 12th, on previous day we confirmed about basic concept of matrix. What is matrix and type of matrix and operation of matrix. Today we start exercise that is 3.1. This chapter we completed on a month of April, but we revised chapter number 3rd, 4th and 5th till 15 of March. Then after we start new chapters. Okay, to see question number first. If a matrix can be defined as Aij, that is a 2 cross 2, then can find the number of elements. Then find the number of elements in this matrix. How can we find out number of elements? So it is the order of matrix is 2 cross 1. So number of elements, that is a 2 cross 4, that is a 8. So how many number of elements? That is a 8. That's clear? Next one. Next is question number 2nd. Find out the unit matrix of order 4 cross 4. According to definition of unit matrix is a those matrix which have only diagonal, all elements of diagonals are unit and remaining elements are zero. 4 cross 4 means that is a 4 row and 4 column. So you can easily construct it by definition of unit matrix. We discussed in question number 3rd. What is the question number 3rd? 3rd is given. Important question. If k plus 4 minus 3 k minus 6 equal to a minus 1 3 and minus 1, then find the value of it. In this question we want to find the value. It is so we start expression. You know that if two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. In matrix, this matrix is 2 cross 2, this matrix is also 2 cross 2, both are equal matrix, so their corresponding element will also. How can we find out the corresponding element? Let's say this element is A11, this element is A11, so both are equal, means A equal to K. That's clear? Then after A22 and A22 equal, A21 and A21 equal, so K minus 6 equal to minus. K equal to minus 4 plus 6, so K equal to so we can write down from equation number first. What is A equal to? That is a K plus 4. The value of K is 2 plus 4, so A equal to BK 6. Any problem? That's clear? So this third question we completed. We discussed in question number 4. What is question number 4? That is find possible order of matrix with 6 elements. Means in this question, total number of elements are 6. We have need to find out possible order. So it has number of elements are 6. So possible order, that is it. Possible order means 1 cross 6, 6 cross 2, 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 2. Any other possible condition is any other order of the sixth element is not possible. मीन्स क्या ऐसे कोई नंबर्स है जिनका प्रोडक्ट 6 हो रहा हो नहीं है ना, तो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर क्या हो गया 1 क्रॉस 6 6 क्रॉस 1 और 2 क्रॉस 3 and 3 क्रॉस 2. That's clear. Then question number 5. In question number 5, particular element of a matrix can be explained by definition. Then our aim to find out a matrix. So we start with question number 5. Let's see most important question. That is it. Question number 5. See, exercise 3.1 and question number 5. In question number 5, find a matrix A equal to define A IJ of order is also defined, that is a 2 cross 2, whose element can be defined, whose elements defined as in first part Aij equal to 2I minus j by 3I plus, and second part Aij I plus 2j whole square by 2I, and a third part, that is Aij equal to 2I minus. In this question there are 3 parts. We explain only one part and other 2 parts do yourself. That's clear? So see its first part. That's most important question. It's question number solution, that is its first part. Particular element can be defined as 2I minus 3I and what is the I and J? I represent position of the element in row and J represent position of the element in column. Then see, we have need to construct 2 cross 2 matrix. So 2 cross 2 means 2 row and 2 column. So 2 cross 2 matrix can be explained in this form: A11, A12, A21 and A2. So we have need to find out these 4 elements. Like this, we can find out A11. A11 means first element, means first row and first column of element. Means I equal to it is a 1 and J equal to that is a 1. So we can write down here. How can we explain? It is a 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 1 and 2 minus 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So element that is the A11 is 1 by 4. Next we can discuss an A12. What is the sense of A12? A12 means I is 1 and J is 2. So put here 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 or plus 2. 2 minus 2, that is a 2 minus 2, 0 by 4, we get 0. Same process, we can find out A21. What is the means of A21? I is 2 and J is 1. So we can write down here 2 into 2 minus 1, 3 into 2 and plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. We can write down here 8 to 1. 8 to 1 means position of the row can be explained by second and column by 1. So I is 2. So 2 into 2 minus j is 1. I is 2. 3 into 2 and plus j is 1. So solve it. 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. You can write down it here, that is a 3 plus 6 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 1. It is a 3 by 7. Last element 8 means I is 2 and j is 2. So we can put here that is a 2 into 2 minus 2 by 3 into 2 and plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So we can write down here 6 4 minus 2 2 by 8. That is a 1 by. So students, we can replace the value of all elements, that is a11, a12, a21, a22 and given to cross to matrix. So a11 it is a12 0, a21 that is 3 by 7 and a22 that is 1 by. This matrix can be constructed to cross to same process. So student, same process you can solve its second and third part. That's clear? Also, it's question number 6. Same we can construct a 2 cross 3 matrix, but the element can be defined on mod form. What is sense of mod? If mod means if minus mod of minus 3, we can write down plus 3. Mod of plus 3, we can write down plus 3. Overall, mod sense means in the value of mod is always positive. So if question number 6 to use. That's clear? We explain it's question number 7. So student of class 1, all of you know that if two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are equal. By using this concept, we can find out the value of A, B or K, any unknown values. That's clear? So see question number 7. 6 to use. We can discuss in question number 7. See. So, question number 7. What is the question number 7? See, question number 7. 7 is given if matrices are given A plus B, 7 A minus 3 and 4 equal to, other matrix given 6 2 7 8 minus 3 and 4. If these two matrices are equal, then find A and B. If these two matrices are equal, so we have need to find out the value of A and B. It is 3 cross 2, it is also 3 cross 2. So solution. So student, all of you know that if two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are equal, right? Then see, matrix are given, it is A plus B, 7 A minus 3 and 4, and write down 6 7 A minus 3 and 4. These two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements also equal. Compare it. First element A plus B equal to 6. Equation number first. Second element A into B, that is 8. Equation number second. By using substitution process, we can find the value of A and B. How can we find it? Then we can write down here B equal to 8 by 8. This equation number 3. So write down here from equation number first and third. First is given A plus B equal to 6. Right? We can replace the value of B, that is A plus 8 by A equal to 6 by taking LCM. A square plus 8 by A equal to 6. So A square plus 8 equal to 6. So A square minus 6A plus 8 equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. So we can, all of you know that how can we solve quadratic equation? By using middle term splitting. So we can split the middle term this quadratic equation means product is 8, difference is and addition is 6. So your middle term splitting, that is 4a minus 2a plus 8. 4 2 is 8. 4 plus 2 6. We can take a common. So it is a minus 2 minus 2 common. That is a minus 2. So in first bracket a minus 4, second bracket a minus 2 0. So you know that a minus 4 0 a equal to 4. Second a minus 2 0, so a equal to. We get two values a, that is 4 and then after our aim to also find out the value of b. How can we find out this? From equation number 3, that is a b equal to 8 by e. If a equal to 4, so b equal to 8 by 4. So b equal to 2. If a equal to 2, so b equal to 8 by 2, that is a 4. Overall, a equal to 2, then b is 4. If a equal to 4, then b is 2. So in this process, you can solve it. Question number 8 and 9. Same process. Two matrices are given equal. Then our aim to find out the value of x or y or a and b. The same process you can do question number 8 and 9. That's clear? So in this process, this exercise, that is a 3.1b. Okay, so this in exercise 3.1, we confirm only two topics. How can we construct a matrix if particular element can be defined? And second, if two matrices are equal, then how can we find out unknown values? That's clear? So in next, this exercise 3.1 be completed. On next video, on next class, we discuss on operation of matrix.